Good morning. We had some rain last night and everything is damp. I was hoping to do Sudoku on the patio but missed it. So I've been working at this here and that's about 4 hours of work. Whoa. That's looking so nice over there. If that took me 4 hours, I've got 4 days of work over here. See how the beach looks. Pretty clean. Yeah, I'll have to maneuver that sand over there and the debris, get rid of the debris and spread out the sand. So not much washed up over here, just minor little things. I would just love to see the water level go down another foot so that we could get use of flat rock. Harry the spider is not out. He was out yesterday. I think there's 2 there. One was black and hairy and the other one wasn't, and it had variegated kind of legs. He went inside his home. Yeah, they're kind of scary. So I'm gonna sit over here and do my Sudoku and finish my coffee, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of weeding, I guess. If it's breezy like this, cleaning up the leaves is not going to be a good idea because they'll get blown all over the place. Maybe we'll work inside the playhouse and finish caulking it and painting. See. But I'd like to, once that's done, is get the railing up and just get that area finished for the kids. We just finished doing all of this. It didn't take long, but it certainly took long to get motivated to do it. So tomorrow I'll take the rake to this, or then after Elizabeth leaves, because we've got stuff that we want to do for tomorrow. But I'll level all of this. I'll weed all of this over here because there's these invasive little plants that go everywhere. But it looks like this is a preferred place. We've got Woodland Mountain back up. And we've got that caricature over there that keeps falling over every time I put them up. So we'll try again. I'll be working on the trim on this very soon. So this area here, a raccoon or something dug it all up in the spring along with the garden. So I don't know what they were looking for, but I'll level that out. And we got this area here behind the playhouse done as well. So I'd like to get those two hollowed out because the impatiens do okay here and I like the way that they look. And these two I'd like to get hollowed out too. They're already starting, I think, with an axe and got most of it out. For these here, I think we've got a ways to go. This one is nowhere near anything and it looks a little decrepit. So these three will stay as is, but I like that. I like how they're spreading out. So, phew. Got it done.
Cool.
A lot nicer than I thought.
Did you take the dogs out of the water?
Yep.
You did?
The mosquitoes are here.
This looks really good.
Oh, it's just so gorgeous right now. The wind has died down. It is a little humid, but it's just gorgeous. Looking down there now with it all cleaned up, it's just great. I want to put the features that the rock climbing and the little telescope and the lookout for the pirates. We have Dragon over there already, keeping watch over the play area. Sorry, that's from the mosquito coil. And these planters here are looking quite lovely. You can see the boardwalk from here. The kids really, really love it. So they want to talk to Joe about getting it finished. I don't know. There's just so much to do. If there's time to do it, then we can. But yeah, we just have the waterfront here done. This, the beach, the fire pit, that area kind of okay. I still have to do this and this here. We may end up turning this part here into lawn. It'll just absorb water a lot more, and it won't run off in case we have a heavy rain. And we can always build that up a little bit around that, because that's a 4-inch differential there, so that it doesn't wash off into the play area. But we have to do some grading here because I don't want to lose that gorgeous sand. I mean, the kids absolutely love it. I'm so ecstatic that they did this. This was not my vision. Nowhere near this. But I am so grateful that they did have that vision and that I enhanced on that. My flowers are coming in so nicely. And we're going to have dinner on the deck. And then I would love to go down to the beach. I'll see how Elizabeth feels about that. The kids already took a shower because they were covered in sand. I'm cool with that. Elizabeth not so much, so they're taking showers now.